Unbelievable legends are told about them, myths about multi-armed sea monsters that lurk in the depths of the oceans, pouncing on sailors, sinking entire ships. Ancient tales that have been told ever since man ventured out to sea. One thing is certain, there are not many creatures that look as alien as cephalopods. Cephalo means head, and pod means foot. Their name derives from the fact that their head and legs are directly joined together, without a visible body in between. In fact, all their organs, including 3 hearts, are hidden in the mantle, the part that we humans would describe as the head. These animals have highly developed brains, boasting not only short but even long-term memory. Their tentacles, equipped with rows of sucker discs, are ringed around their beaked mouths. Cephalopods are categorized according to the number of tentacles. Octopus have 8, while cuttlefish and squid have 10. Incredibly, their closest relatives are comparatively unexciting one-footed organisms such as snails and shells. The first cephalopods appeared on the scene 500 million years ago and have evolved into sophisticated beings with complex hunting techniques and swimming skills. Being invertebrates, these animals have no skeletons. While cuttlefish have a rigid internal shell called a cuttlebone, squids only have a pen-shaped transparent rod called a gladius. Beside the beak-like mouth, octopus don't have hard internal parts at all. This enables them to follow prey into openings that are tiny compared to their body size. Cephalopods' eyes are remarkably well developed, giving them vision that is comparable to that of humans. A noteworthy fact is that, although cephalopods evolved from a completely different direction than mammals, both ended up with eyes that function in almost the same way. To many, this is the most fascinating member of the cephalopod family, the octopus. They usually don't swim like their cousins, but rather walk along the bottom in constant search of crabs and other crustaceans, all the while feeling, tasting, and even smelling the ground with their sucker discs and the sensitive tips of their 8 tentacles. Cuttlefish are usually not found on the bottom, but instead hover or swim, using the skirt-like fringes around their mantles to get around. They are solitary animals, but during mating season one can find 2 and sometimes more involved in courtship rituals. Some situations call for a quick getaway. Octopus have learned the advantage of a good takeoff. This is done by forcefully squirting water through the mantle's holes, producing a powerful jet-like stream. Most cephalopods can change their colours at will, for instance when they want to camouflage themselves from their enemies or during courtship. Due to their ability to control individual pigmentation cells, they can create different patterns. They are even able to adjust their skin structure to blend perfectly with their surroundings. When seriously threatened, these creatures have another defensive trick up their sleeve. They squirt a cloud of dark ink into the water to cover their escape. However, this action causes the animals tremendous stress. For this reason, while filming, we consciously avoided provoking or threatening them.